All done or something like that. Hey guys, we're at the rat house again. This is my fit for today. And today we brought the other moms of the house, aka my mom and my sister Ka. But we forgot the peg scrimpers, which is what we were gonna work on today. So they have to go back home and get that. But I'm gonna finish pulling out this knob and tube that's in here. And in here. And then we'll see what else we do today. Jason's here. My mom and him are talking upstairs right now. And then we're gonna do the repiping for the supply lines. What's going on down here?
We're draining the well so we can put new shutoffs in.
Can you explain the neighbor situation?
The well pump supplies this house and the house in the back. This line goes to the neighbor, and we're gonna put new stuff in down by the well, make it PEX, and put a shutoff in for her.
And the neighbor just left, so we're good to shut off her water for like a couple hours. So the neighbor said if there is a nice strong plumber man here that could maybe try to get the hose off of her spigot, she would love us forever. So God knows I'm gonna come try and do it because I'm a nice strong plumber man. Like, it don't matter your gender, let me try. And I have the biggest wrench I could find. I'm gonna try it out because I know the tools of leverage and stuff, so I'm gonna try. I'm just stripping the nut even more, so I feel bad. Maybe if I have something else to hold on to this and then I can do it. Gracias, Papa. We did need a big strong man, I guess. Huh.
I mean, it's not in the best of shape at the top of it.
Also, she's got a freaking pond. Look at this.
With fish in it.
And frogs. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I want a life where I can have a little pond and forest and stuff. That's so cute. So as they're down here working on plumbing, Jason is working on electrical up here, and I'm just kind of being the gopher and running around and grabbing people whatever they need. They're back, which is good because I'm dying of thirst. And also, we're ready for them to be back because Jason and I are doing electrical and need to consult Mom about where she wants lights. And Peyton and Dad needed the tool, so now that they're back, we're good. And we also got to run to Ace or something, like a hardware store, so that I can get something for my trap at home broke. So I need a part for that. Oh, I'm sorry. We should have eaten before we came because I'm lightheaded. And Dad said you were, yeah. Hey, hon. What you doing?
Get your
No.
Yeah. Get your tools out.
What are you doing?
We're taking out. You want me to actually explain it? Okay. So We are taking out previous ductwork from an oil serviced heating system. We're squashing that. It will be one of two things, electric or mini splits. We'll see. Still talking about it. But the short story is this can go.
And then it makes more room for the
yeah,
shower.
the shower will be much nicer if this is not just like all up in the way. Yeah, hon. There's another one in there.
And then I got my saws on because we're gonna start cutting out all the supply lines now. Alright guys, so I set up this camera to be filming me ripping out the pipe, but there seems to be a soldering issue and Peyton and my dad are going to get new solder and flux because that's what they think it is. But I'm going to try to solder it one time just to see if I can get it. But I'm going to bring the camera over there and you can see what's happening. Also, they were pulling out this ductwork and a whole bunch of stuff came out. Delicious. Alright, so we need this to be back on again because the neighbor gets water through here. So this needs to be working by later today. But we got this. I'm going to put gloves on because everything's hot and dirty and I just don't want to touch it. We got this coupling, right, for the end of here, and then we're going to convert it to PEX. Peyton tried soldering it and was having a problem. So I took everything off, re-cleaned it, and while they're buying new stuff, I'm just gonna see if I can get it. I don't know if buying the new stuff will help. I don't know what the problem is, honestly, but it's a bad problem to be having. It is a tight fit, so I'm thinking maybe like just the flux isn't pushing it, sucking it in well or something, I don't know. Alright, that's on there. We got two different types of solder, and apparently both of them were not sucking in. The torch is definitely hot enough because it's melting it, so I'm not sure what the heck it is. But let's try it out. And I'll get a good view on this. Vacuum. Might just be that there's water and steam in the pipe. I really don't know, but that's definitely not on there. We're gonna figure the problem out because it needs to be done today, but I know that there's gonna be people watching this who know what it is, and I wish you could communicate in time, travel, and tell me what this problem is because I'm so confused. We switched to a brass fitting and the solder did go in a lot more, as you can see, but on the back side it's still not in. So we're letting it cool off. We're going to use the new flux and solder again and hopefully it'll seal. Get in here. So out of here, I made a reel asking if anybody had advice or could help. And yeah, look at all that water in there. So that's definitely what the problem is. There was water and steam. So I guess I'm just going to try and solder it like this now. And get the water out. I just wanted to show you that that's definitely what it was though. There was water in the pipe. And thank you to everybody who was commenting helpful hints and tips and stuff. The white bread, love that. It's smart. Guys,
is this closed?
we got it.
That's closed, right?
Sorry.
Ready to turn it off?
We sealed it. We tilted the water out and it worked. But I made a post on Instagram asking everybody for advice and help, and literally so many people were commenting and giving help, and coach even texted me, so like thank you everybody for all your support and help and not judgment, because you made it happen. Thank you. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm wearing the same outfit because I'm dirty, and yeah. Dad and I are going today to Rat House to pull out the rest of the old supply lines. I have a fruit cup with me and water. It shouldn't be long. And then we're gonna come home and eat homemade chicken sandwiches, or chicken, that the moms are making, Michaela and Mom. I'm excited for that. But first, we go work. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you probably already know who Jason is and his specialties and stuff, but he has a lot of knowledge about electrical, so that's what he's been working on upstairs. And then Dad and I were pulling out supply lines, drain lines, and ductwork from downstairs, and then once Jason was done with electrical, he came down to help. But if you guys are enjoying these videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more like this. So we got all the pipe out and we're separating it up now. This is like all the fittings, that's plain pipe, and then long runs over here that we still gotta cut a couple fittings off. But yeah, we got all of the pipe out and some duct work. It was a very productive day. We worked very fast, as you guys could tell. And now we get to go home and eat some chicken. I'm excited. Or something like that. Alright, I think that's the end of the third, maybe, Rat House video. And I'm trying to remember to do an outro. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and yeah, follow my dad on Instagram. He made a new account for our Jeep. What is it called?
The Claw_Jeep.
The Claw_Jeep. Go follow him on Instagram. See you in the next video. Bye.